In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Square with your QuickBooks account through the QuickBooks App Store. This process will help you keep your financial transactions organized and up to date, providing you with a solid foundation for effective business management. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by opening up QuickBooks on your computer. Once you're logged into your account, look at the left-hand navigation menu and find the Apps section. This is your gateway to a variety of integrations that can enhance your QuickBooks experience. Click on Apps and you'll be redirected to the QuickBooks App Store, which houses numerous third-party applications designed to effortlessly integrate with your QuickBooks software. In the search bar located at the top of the App Store, type Square and press Enter. You should see several options appear, but look for the one specifically labeled for integration with QuickBooks. When you found it, click on the Square app to access more detailed information, including features and user reviews. Once you've reviewed this information and feel confident about proceeding, select Get App Now or a similar button to initiate the connection process. At this stage, you'll be prompted to sign into your Square account. Enter your Square credentials and follow any additional authentication steps needed to securely connect your Square account with QuickBooks. This authorization process is crucial as it ensures that you're giving permission for these two services to communicate and share data with one another. After successfully authorizing your connection, you will move on to syncing your transactions. You'll want to decide the start date for transactions you wish to import from Square into QuickBooks. Be strategic here. Consider aligning this date with the beginning of your current fiscal period to maintain continuity and accuracy in your financial records. Once your start date is set, you can initiate the sync process. QuickBooks will pull in the relevant transaction data from your selected date onwards. Depending on the volume of data, this may take some time, so be patient. However, the efficiency gained by having all your sales data automatically updated in QuickBooks will save you countless hours in bookkeeping. After the sync is complete, take a moment to review your transactions within QuickBooks. Make sure everything looks accurate and corresponds with your Square reports. This quick check will ensure there are no discrepancies, helping maintain the integrity of your financial information. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Square with QuickBooks through the App Store. This integration will not only save you time but also reduce human error by automating your sales transactions directly into your QuickBooks account. With all your data now synced, you're in an excellent position to track and manage your business's financial health more effectively. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy this streamlined connection between Square and QuickBooks.